Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May 21st, 2023. Let's get this video started real quick because Meta has been scorching. It's been a fantastic first half of 2023 for the stock. You guys can clearly tell that this market has gone higher. Is there an indicator that is reflecting that Meta is now a sell? Now, you guys can see I got 3 lines on my chart for Meta, and we was eyeing how high price was going to go on my last video, which was produced on the 20th of April. So here it is about a month into it. Maybe we can see if Meta's going to go higher still. Let's talk about it. It's not hard. All you have to do is look at the chart, get a better understanding as to what the overall market is trying to do. So now, this market for one is massively bullish in Meta. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care if anyone tells you that they see an indicator weak on the chart for Meta. As long as this price holds this trend line, there's nothing to worry about. Price will inevitably go higher. Keep that in mind, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the market price action in Meta, because I want us to see if price is about to go lower around 245. Because if so, then we don't want to buy it. If the market runs up to 255, we could put on a small price prediction, let the market go at 255 and then let it go. Take the profit. Or what if the market continues to go higher to 260 to 280? As we approach the ending or the second half of 2023. Real quick, let's take a look at the charts. So first, I wanted to look at the market in Meta on a weekly time frame. Okay, because looking at this on the 5-weekly chart, okay, this 5-weekly price bar has now completed. It is done, finito. You cannot come back and try to alter it. It's finished. And by us seeing the market in Meta close up here on the high end of the bar on 5-weekly time frame, there is still some gas in the tank. Now, I would suspect that there will be some individuals trying to come in and sell their Meta because they've been locked in this stock for at least going on 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. So they'll be happy just to break even with Meta. They've been holding for 3 years. So yeah, be prepared for some increased volatility, i.e. price is about to go lower. Like, we're not going to see Meta go up into perpetuity. Like, that's asinine. We need to look for price to begin to give us some increased volatility, some gyrations going up, next day go down 3%. Just be ready for it. Now, as long as the market though, and Meta holds 220, then the probability that the market is still hinting that it wants to go higher is still there. Okay, so the 5-weekly chart is still bullish. Here's Meta on the 3 weeks, still looking bullish there. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Price is still bullish on the 2-weekly price bar because this is where the selling came in, right there on this 2-weekly price bar. Now, why would I say sellers came in on this 2-weekly price bar? Why would I say that? Because the market closed off of the highs right there, and then the volume also was heavy. So for us to not see price come down still tells us that people are bullish in Meta. I don't know what the insiders know, but somebody knows something about Meta because this market is simply going up. There's a lot of other stocks doing that too. Here it is on the weekly. Okay, right here. This is where you wanted to see weakness and selling for price to go down. This was the beginning stage of us noticing that. But now looking at the results, that didn't happen. The market, instead of continuing to go lower in Meta, it went up. Again, charts don't lie. People are telling you that they bought right there around $230. The market bought Meta right there. That's why the market lows on these 2-weekly price bars is right there. It's just that simple. Okay, so when you see that, we pay attention to those things. Look at this on the 5-day. Right there. This 5-day price bar is in direct combination with this one, and it also is in direct combination with this one, and it is also in direct combination with this one. All of these 5-day price bars is telling you that the market is still bullish. Each and every one of them. Nothing has changed. Now, I know many people become fearful and scared and say, well, I mean, the market has already seen price go up since the beginning of the year. Meta has already increased 102%. Maybe it's time to take profit. Of course. Yeah, take profit. That's what we're here for. That's the point of the stock market, is for you to take profit. But what I'm seeing on the chart is that the market is still currently bullish. Okay. So I am going to put on a price prediction into the market for Meta, looking for price to go higher. And my first target is going to be right there around 255. Okay, that's going to be my first target. It's going to be 255. And then my second one is going to be around 270. And then 280 is my third. Boom. That's it. So now let me go ahead and show you all on the daily chart in Meta. Now I want you all to see that these price bars has very minimum spreads. Okay, so this is not going to be like a breakout, a massive spread move to the upside real quick. It's going to be slow and methodical. Every so often we might see the price in Meta go up 1%, down 2%, up 2%, 3 days later. Like, just be ready for the market to take its slow time. Now let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with though. So now, really, as long as Meta holds 220, we're going to look for the price to go up. Okay, now our first target for Meta is going to be at 260. Oh, I'm sorry, like 255. That's 3.65%. It's not a lot, but understand that line represents sellers. So I want us to make sure that we jump off the ship before it sinks and we could take the bag 3.65%. Okay, second target, it's going to be here around 270. You guys can see there's 9.96% profit there. Let me go ahead and give you the magnifying glass so you guys can see it. I definitely want you all to see it. Okay, so 9.96%, $270. And then I said the third target and Meta is going to be around 280. That's 13.89%, $280. Okay, now I'm done. I'm going to hold this line here, this $255 area, and 220, because both these lines represent how we need to act. If we see price having a hard time breaking above 255, the market is telling you that we ran out of gas in the tank. Take the profit. But if we see the market in Meta break directly above 255, then 270 and then 280 is on the horizon. So keep your eyes open on those levels. Okay, that is it. Everyone, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.